Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna quickly walk you through that how to remove sound from a video in CapCut. So what you need to do first is go to your CapCut app. After that you have to open your video here. I'm gonna click on my video here. Then you can see my video is got the sound or so we are gonna remove this sound, okay, background sound. So what you need to do first is go to your click on this video right now and we have to scroll down this, okay. You have to go to the last and find this extract audio, okay, this button extract audio. Then you have to click on this button. Then you can see magically this audio is extracted. You can pretty much click on it and delete it. Then this video has no sound at all, okay. So this is how you can remove a audio from a video in your CapCut app. Please like this video and subscribe this channel if it helped you.